Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up VS Code key bindings in WebStorm. But first, if you like videos like this where I show you how to set up and install software, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So I have WebStorm open here, and the first thing I want to do to enable the VS Code key bindings is open up my settings. I can do that by either going here to the hamburger menu, expanding it, and then doing File and Settings, or alternatively I can do Control-Alt-S to open up my settings. Once my settings is open, the first thing I want to do is go to my plugins here, click on that, and you'll notice here in my installed plugins, I disable a lot of plugins. I only really use the ones I need just to keep it a little bit lighter. And I'm going to go down here to my key maps, and I'm going to make sure that my VS Code key map plugin is enabled. I'll click Apply and OK. And now I'll reopen the settings with Control-Alt-S. I'll go up to the left here where it says Key Map. And in this drop-down menu, I can select either VS Code or VS Code for Mac OS. I'll select VS Code and click Apply and OK. That's all there is to it. Now the VS Code key bindings are set up in the WebStorm IDE. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like. Thank you.